how to check if your phone is hacked. It works for Android or iPhone, both of the devices. So first of all, you have to open up the settings of your phone, and after that you have to go to battery. If you're not able to find this battery option, you can simply type in the search settings battery and tap on it. And after that, when you scroll through this page, here you will see all the apps which are consuming your phone's battery. Now, if you see any suspicious app here in this list which is consuming your battery and you have not installed it, this means that that app has hacked your phone. This is the very first signal. You have to scroll through this list very deeply and take a deep look on all of the apps. But if you do not find any kind of application in this battery drain, then let's move towards the step number 2, which is you have to go back and back again. And then you have to go to the cellular, which is under Bluetooth. Again, if you are not able to find it, you can search in the search bar of this settings. And after going into cellular, you have to scroll through this page, and here under cellular data, tap on this show all button and you'll be redirected to cellular data usage apps. Here are all the apps available which have been consuming your mobile data. Again, if you see any kind of suspicious app in this list which you have not installed, then again your phone has been hacked by that application. So we are done with 2 signals that your phone has been hacked. And after taking a deep look in this list too, you have to go back and back again, and you'll again be redirected to settings homepage. You have to scroll through this page to the end, and the last option in this list is apps. So you have to tap on it, and here you will find all the applications which are installed in your phone, whether you are on Android or iPhone. You have to again take a deep look in all of the apps that you have just installed up to the day. And again, if you find any kind of suspicious app that you have not installed, then your phone may be hacked by that application. Except these signals, there are also some other things like overheating of the phone. I'm not specifically talking about iPhones because they just keep overheating after every new update and for literally no reasons. And if you see pop-ups again and again on your screen and your phone does automatic actions that you are not performing, it means your phone has been hacked. Then how you can unhack it? Simply uninstall the unwanted applications, and if still you are unable to fix it, simply reset your phone and your phone gets rid of all the viruses that have been installed by you in your phone, and you will remove this hacking thing from your phone and your phone will again be in safe state. Thank you so much.